I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day for Thursday, February 3rd. All right, we got a new level on the SPY, a big one. Yeah, I'm just going to kind of circle it right here. I underlined it for you as well. 453.26, about 18 million. I could be off by a couple 100,000. No, not 100, but you know, off by a little bit, but around 18 million. That's really big. And we have this guy we're still watching, 441.83. So we are below this, but we're still above 441.83. We did a little bit of a retracement down to the 4 EMA on the daily chart. So the big question is, are we going to bounce back up here, or are we going to move down first to that 8 EMA and perhaps much further? So it's in an interesting spot today. We'll see what happens, but I'm going to be bullish above 455, and we're going to be bearish. And I picked 455. There's a lot of interference. And bear below 451. All right, let's go to the Russell. Nothing big new, but we're going to be bullish above 203. We are below the 4 and the 8. Yeah, check out this chart right here. This makes it easy for a free falling right there. All right, we have resistance just above us. Bear below 198.75. All right, let's head on over to the Qs. Okay. Big level on the Qs yesterday, 365.81. So we are well below that. And look where we are in the Qs. Yeah, we're kind of stuck in between the 4 and the 8. Not really a great place to trade. Yeah, it's got to either move back up here or move below it. So we'll see what happens, but bullish above 366. I went up kind of high above there. Just didn't like the trades. Bear below 360. So we'll see where she wants to go. All right, let's go to the E-minis. Let's go over to the futures and see what's happening over there. Let's go to, here we go. All right, E-minis, bullish above 45.45. As you can see, I went above all that traffic. And bear below 45.20. We'll see if she falls below that. Let's go to the NASDAQ. Bullish above 14,925 and bear below 14,700. All right, let's head on over to the oil futures. Yeah, oil. What's oil doing today? Well, we are below the pivot. And we are finding support on S1 today. So I'm bearish below this Camarilla. Yeah, I really want it to break here. There's a lot of room to the downside. And I'm above 87.54. I kind of chiseled in here in between the Camarillas. And I was using some pre-market volume as well. All right, I look and see where those high volume bars are, where they're buying and selling either last night, early morning, pre-market. Let's head on over to gold. Oops, hold on a second. All right, gold futures. These are the April futures, by the way. We're going to be bullish above 18.12, all the way up here. And going to be bearish below 18.02. So we already went down and hit our first target. So right now I would be bearish below 1800. Let it go down and break below that level for the next move. Let's check out Bitcoin. Looks like it might be ready to roll over. Let me just show you the daily chart over here. Kind of like a dreaded H again, right? Let me just delete all these trend lines for a second. Okay, so remember we had this trade on the VWAP, the dreaded H. We talked about this a lot. You can go back in the videos. And then we didn't hold the VWAP. Now we have another dreaded H. Yeah, patterns. I love when they repeat. Makes our job much easier. So I'm going to be bearish below 35,750. It would have been 3,600, but we had a couple pivots there. And then I'm going to be bullish above 37,750. All right, let's head on over to Facebook, which did a face plant this morning, right? Last night, I should say. All right, it's not like we didn't see this coming. We definitely saw this coming. I don't care what they say on TV. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Hold on a second. I'm actually going to pull up. I posted it on Twitter. All right, they sold heavily. This is software that we use in the Java pit. Goes back a long time, and we can look up all the dark pool activity. They sold massively starting in November. Now, not only just Facebook, the market, okay? Lots of stuff. But Facebook in general, we don't normally get these massive two big trades in a row. Big. Yeah, so somebody knew this was going to happen, and they dumped. And then we had these other 900,000, 700,000. So, yeah, if you follow the dark pool, you really weren't that surprised. All right, so, yeah, we took a dump. Now what? Well, I'm going to be bullish above 265 for a retracement trade only, okay? Unless we get big prints, we'll look and see if any big bottom fishers come in or not. We are bearish below 250, 250. We've already hit two targets. Yeah, we came down to 250. So the next level to watch to go short would be 250. That's second test. Yeah, you can see buyers come in the first time around. Exactly at 250, they bounced it. So if it breaks below 250, look out below. All right, let's head on over to Square. Bullish above 107.50 for a retracement. Bear below 104.50. Let's go to Qualcomm. We're going to be bullish above 184.50. Yep, we've already hit some targets. We did a retracement on this Qualcomm trade. Did we hit all of them? Not 187.43. That's my next one. So I would watch 187 or maybe hold on a second. Let me just pull up my pivots. Yeah, it really depends where the pivots are, but let me just check out the next trade. Give me 1 second. Yeah, 186.75. Yeah, if she goes above this Camarilla right here, yeah, then it might have another move. Right now it went below the pivot, so this could have just been an up thrust move. Yeah, we may trend down now, so we'll see. All right, let's go to Snap. Bullish above 28, bear below 26.50. Neo. Below the massive prints right now. Yeah, we had big prints at Splash. Now we're below it. Bullish above 23, bear below 22.50. Lucid, bullish above 27 and bear below 26.50. Yeah, we're below the massive prints on Lucid as well. I put all the dark pool prints there for you. Next one is Ford. Ford has earnings after the close. We've had a lot of dark pool activity on Ford. So it might have a nice movement today before earnings, but after earnings, use the same levels. Bullish above 21.20, bear below 20. So we have this big dark pool activity at 20.78, but we do have some higher levels as well. So it would be more of a print pong trade. If you went above 21.20, I would definitely take some profit at 22 and 22.46 for the after earnings trade. I don't think it's going to make that move today. You never know. But bearish below 20. Yeah, if we go below 20, we're below all the dark pool activity. And there's a high probability we could even go down and fill. There's a gap down here. So I like to be ready on both sides of the trade. All right, PLTR. Bullish above 14.12. I went really high. Just didn't like anything else there. I like the bear trade. Bear below 1275 because we are below massive dark pool activity right now. It might retrace a little bit, right? Back up to the 4. I just didn't, yeah, there was too many pivots in there and I couldn't enter you on a good level. All right, Tesla's up next. Tesla bullish above 920. Remember, we had these 2 big dark pool prints on Tesla. 886.42 is the big mama. 1.8 million. We are below that. I don't know, we could go above it. We're not far. I picked 920 because there were some pivots in the way there, some moving averages. But if we do head on down below 875, right, again, I'm seeing a lot of possible dreaded H's. Yep, and then if we don't hold here, we do go a lot further. So we'll see. Twitter. Yeah, we definitely saw this down movement on Twitter too. We've had a lot of massive prints. Today though, bullish above 35 and bear below 33.50. We are close to that level right now. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for February 3rd. Stay tuned. I have an upcoming free webinar coming up for those of you that have the Dark Pool app or thinking about getting the app. I'll be sharing some of my secrets to trading the Dark Pool, and that is coming up on February 15th. We did send out a registration. As long as you register, you will be in. It will be recorded. We will send out a couple more in the following week or so. All right, until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.